In this video, I will quickly show you how to use CensEye to find web infrastructure that is potentially related to threats. Let's say that I am interested in monitoring and protecting my organization against Loma Stealer, which is an info stealer available on Malware as a Service forums. I'm starting my research by grabbing an IP that was recently added to ThreatFox as an indicator of compromise associated with Loma Stealer. Looking at the current host info for this Bulgarian-based IP in Census, there isn't anything immediately obvious that suggests malicious use. I'm going to go to the Discover Pivots tab and run CensEye to see if I can discover any lingering scan data on this host that may be connected to active infrastructure. CensEye returned two key value pairs of interest, both of which are related to a certificate still in use on this host. Instead of manually going through the data on this host to find potential pivots, CensEye found them for me with just one click. Let's run a query for the certificate's fingerprint to see the other host that is actively using it. Interesting. We see another host in Bulgaria that is running at least one service that Census has detected as Loma Stealer. I'm going to run live rescan on this service to see if it is still present on this host at this port. Looks like the service is still active. I'm going to keep an eye on this host. In this case, Census already had a fingerprint for Loma Stealer that aided in my investigation. I'm going to use that fingerprint to create a collection and monitor it so I can be alerted about new host and web property assets as they are identified. For rapidly evolving threats, it will be useful to leverage CensEye going forward to quickly identify malicious web infrastructure that has yet to be consistently categorized or fingerprinted.